Hey guys, I'm doing a video for my dad, but thanks for popping up to the ad. We're selling a Black & Decker 12 amp 17-inch width lawnmower. This mower doesn't only have a 1-lever adjustment for all 4 tires, but also has an edge max, which means you can easily get into edges. This also is a lawnmower where you can mulch and bag the grass. This lawnmower is also very lightweight, which means it's easy to maneuver. This lawnmower also has a freshly sharpened and balanced blade, and it runs just like any other animal. For more information, check the pictures. Thank you.